Crowdfund Insider in World of Fintech. Crowdfunding has emerged as a game changer in the world of fintech, revolutionizing the way businesses and individuals raise funds. This innovative financing model allows entrepreneurs to showcase their projects to a global audience and gather financial support from individuals who believe in their ideas. Crowdfunding platforms have become popular hubs for connecting creators with investors, enabling them to bypass traditional financial institutions and gain access to capital more efficiently. One of the key advantages of crowdfunding is its inclusivity. It provides a platform for entrepreneurs from diverse backgrounds and geographies to showcase their ideas and receive financial backing. This democratization of funding has leveled the playing field, allowing innovative projects that may have been overlooked by traditional investors to secure the necessary resources. It has unlocked opportunities for entrepreneurs who lack access to traditional funding channels, empowering them to pursue their dreams and contribute to economic growth. For investors, crowdfunding offers a unique chance to support projects they believe in and be part of their success stories. It enables individuals to become early backers of promising ventures and potentially reap financial rewards as the projects mature. Crowdfunding also allows investors to diversify their investment portfolios, allocating smaller amounts across multiple projects instead of concentrating their funds in a single venture. This diversification can mitigate risks and potentially generate higher returns. The impact of crowdfunding extends beyond mere financial transactions. It fosters community engagement and cultivates a sense of belonging among participants. Crowdfunding campaigns often involve engaging storytelling and the ability to connect with a passionate community of supporters. This sense of involvement creates a virtuous cycle, as backers become advocates and ambassadors for the projects they support, further expanding the reach and impact of crowdfunding initiatives. Moreover, crowdfunding has catalyzed innovation by nurturing a fertile environment for experimentation and unconventional ideas. Traditional funding sources tend to be risk-averse and prefer established businesses with proven track records. In contrast, crowdfunding embraces innovation, allowing creators to pitch disruptive concepts that challenge the status quo. This has led to breakthroughs in various sectors, including technology, social impact, and creative arts, as entrepreneurs are emboldened to pursue their vision with the support of the crowd. However, it is essential to recognize that crowdfunding is not without its challenges. The lack of regulation and oversight in some jurisdictions can expose investors to potential risks, such as fraudulent projects or misappropriation of funds. The success of a crowdfunding campaign depends on effective marketing and promotion, which may be a hurdle for inexperienced entrepreneurs lacking marketing expertise. Additionally, some projects may struggle to attract sufficient interest or fail to deliver on their promised outcomes, potentially disappointing backers. To navigate these challenges, platforms and regulatory bodies have started implementing safeguards. Crowdfunding platforms often screen projects before listing them, implementing due diligence processes to mitigate the risk of fraudulent activities. Additionally, regulatory frameworks are being developed to protect both creators and investors, providing a more secure and transparent crowdfunding ecosystem. In conclusion, crowdfunding has disrupted the world of fintech, offering an alternative avenue for entrepreneurs and investors to connect and bring innovative ideas to life. It has democratized access to capital, fueled innovation, and fostered a sense of community. As the fintech landscape continues to evolve, crowdfunding is likely to remain a significant force, empowering individuals and transforming traditional financing paradigms.